There are 10,000 people a day turning 65 in the United States. They call them baby boomers. I too am a baby boomer, and I have been in search of some serious anti-aging properties. I mean, growing old is not for the faint of heart. About 5 years ago, me and my husband started taking peptides. Fast forward, last year we were at an A4M conference and they offered what you call an age test. So chronological age is what you are going to be on your next birthday, and biological age is how quickly or slowly you are aging from the inside out. We both took the test after being on the peptides for 5 years. I am 14 years younger than my chronological age, and my husband is 10 years younger. So as you can see, we have to share this news. We want everybody to grow healthier, happier, longer, right alongside of us. Give us a call at Texas Institute for Anti-Aging Research and let us share all of the great things that we've been learning about staying younger, longer, and healthier and happier.